You are watching pictures or images of some of the beautiful places of a small island. That is Ireland. Ireland, infinitesimal but irresistible. Ireland is an island in the North Atlantic. Ireland is the second largest island of British Isles, the third largest in Europe, and the 20th largest on Earth. Irish culture has had a significant influence on other cultures, especially in the field of literature. Alongside mainstream Western culture, a strong indigenous culture exists through Gaelic games, Irish music, Irish language, and Irish dance. The island culture shares many features with that of Great Britain, including the English language and sports such as association football, rugby, horse racing, golf, and boxing. Ireland has made a large contribution to world literature. Ireland produced 4 winners of the Nobel Prize for Literature: George Bernard Shaw, W.B. Yeats, Samuel Beckett, Seamus Heaney. There are 3 World Heritage Sites on the island. Some of the most visited sites in Ireland include the Bunratty Castle, the Cliffs of Moher, the Blarney Castle. Be it the Irish hospitality, be it the tasty drinks, be it the natural beauty, there is no doubt that Ireland has many things to be proud of, and many things which may be interesting, may be fascinating, may be captivating to arrest the attention of people of the world.